All right, today's video we're going to go over how to solve a two-step equation. So in a simple example, a two-step equation might be something like this. Okay, something like that. So we have our variable term and then we have two constant terms. So the first thing we're going to do, my equation depot I've created, we talked about this in the one-step equation video. First thing we're going to do typically, most times, is do opposite of the number, right? So the number term is this one that we're going to get rid of. And when we move it across the equal sign, we want to subtract it in this case. So whatever the sign is, we're going to do opposite. So doing opposite moves it across the equal sign. Okay? So we're left with 3x is equal to 9. Then the last step, this becomes a one-step equation. We're going to do opposite of the variable term. So we're multiplying x by 3. So the opposite of that will be divide. Okay. And so then this becomes our standard two-step equation. Typically we'll move the number first and then we divide by the variable term. Okay, let's do one more example here. Okay, so we have negative 4x plus 1 is equal to 9. So first step we're going to do is do opposite of the number. And the reason we're doing opposite the number is because the idea of solving equations is to get the variables on one side and the constants or the numbers on the other. So in this case, the variable term is already on one side. So now we need to move the numbers over. And we move numbers across the equal sign by doing the opposite of whatever the sign says. So in this case, we have negative 4x is equal to 8. Now we're going to do opposite of the variable term. Right, do opposite of the variable. So we're multiplying by negative 4. So now we're going to divide by negative 4. And we get x is equal to negative 2.